Hey guys, everybody in Web Piano Teacher Land, welcome. We're doing Don't Cry My Lady Love by Quicksilver Messenger Service, one of those old great classic rock tunes. Just music isn't like it used to be, is it? It's not, but we have plenty of it. So enjoy this lesson. Let's get into it. All right, so this was a hired request by one of my great all-time friends and members. Roger, thanks so much for this. A lot of people are going to enjoy this. And you mentioned, you had two others, and that's going to keep you busy for the next year. I believe you, certainly will. Now, the thing you got to realize about this is in this track, there are actually two piano tracks going, at least. So there's one kind of in the left ear, panned left, and another one panned right. They were doing some kind of effect, but you can't do both of those tracks at the same time as solo piano. So what I did is kind of combined them whenever I could, and then when one was just more important, I used that one. So if you ever have really listened to this recording, you can hear there's more than one piano track, at least two. And you just can't humanly possibly do them both because they're providing sort of effect here. So I think I did a pretty good job of kind of, putting them together and making one solo piano thing for it. All right. And I'll kind of make mention to that as we go through this. So, yeah, two piano tracks. And they start off right away with both of them. And I imagine it's the same guy playing both of them, just kind of went through and played on top of the first one. So we're in a 6/8, 1, 2, 3. Don't cry, my lady, love. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So get the 6/8 feel in your mind, and it's kind of a swing. A da 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 da. 1, a 2, a 3. Da 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 is the beat there. Okay. So 6/8 time, kind of swing those 16ths. 2, 3. 1, 2. Don't cry, my lady love. And then we're in. So these two measures are kind of an intro thing. Okay, so we start with a C sharp octave on the left hand. Here's middle C, so we're down here. That two finger naturally just falls on the G sharp, the fifth to the octave. Okay? So if you're ever playing an octave and you want to know where the fifth is, it's going to be where that two finger just kind of naturally falls. Okay? If you have an average size hand. And then B, E, G sharp on the right makes it a C sharp minor 7. Okay, so you just a 1, 2, 3. Count 3, you hit this. I have a quarter note there because in 6/8 a quarter note gets 2 counts, and it just reminds me of the rhythm. So if it means nothing to you, that's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play count 3 is this E octave up here, E chord, E, G sharp, B, E, 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, and this is not really a rhythm. It's just a roll down. Just and you're already on the notes you need to be on. You just played the E, G sharp, B, E. You're already there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play those again, and then you let your wrist do this kind of thing to get the C sharp. Okay, so that wrist is necessary, that motion. I spend a lot of time on talking about wrist movement because if you don't get that down, you're going to struggle and have a lot of trouble that you wouldn't have to have if you'd learn that technique. And I'm using my 2. So a 1, 2, 3, 4. A 5, a 6 is C sharp, B, E, G sharp. I'm going 4, 3, 1, 2. You can use something else if you want. Just telling everybody what I'm using. Everybody has their own fingerings that feel comfortable to them. So if yours differ from mine, that's okay. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1. All right. So yeah, there's a piano in the background. Listen to it with headphones. You can hear one on the right, one on the left. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then 1. Now we have a B minor 7. A, D, F sharp on the right. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4. B octave on the left. 1, 2. Let's see. 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After you play that 1, 2, see, 1, 2, 1, 2. This can be on count 3, just like the first one was. 1, 2, 3. But instead of a chord and then a roll down, you're just going to go D, D, F, B, F sharp, D. It's not really a rhythm again. It's 1, 2, 3. Da-da-da-da-dum. He just has this chord here. Get your fingers already on it. 1, 2, 4, 5. And he just does bottom note and then rolls it down. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. On count 4, you're going to hit that B with a 4th finger. And you're just crossing over. A, F sharp, D, F sharp, A, bop, bop. Da, 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 da. See how I swing it? Bump, bop, 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 bop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we go back and we try the first 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to play more left hand, you can. Because we don't have the drums and the guitar, other instruments that are playing, and so we can fill in a little more as piano soloists. Okay, if you're playing in a band, you don't want to do too much of that left hand. You step all over the bass's feet, and they'll get angry with you. So you got to stay out of the way. The more players you have in a band, the less you get to play. 1, 2. Unless you're the star of the show, then they got to watch out for you. Okay, so A here in the left hand. Singing starts here. Don't cry, my lady love. So 1, 2. And then we're going to go A, C sharp, E. 1, 2, 3. The squiggly line just means you can keep vamping that. Play the one that's written the loudest, and then you can just kind of fill in. Just play it again as you feel it. 1, 2, 3. This is an A chord. This is an F sharp minor. A, C sharp, F sharp. I'm using 1, 2, 5 on that one. Don't cry, my lady love. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, da, na, 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 na. All right, I think it sounds just like it, even though I'm having to already adapt for 2 piano tracks. Da, na, 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 na. Okay, something like that. I'll play it better as we keep doing it here. Now the 2 piano thing is really heavy through there. You just can't play both of them. They're playing the same note sometimes at the same time. So I just did my best to. Just a bunch of country thirds in there. It's not as hard as it sounds. You're doing some of the same little motive forms. You're just playing them and moving down the piano. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? A octave first. 1, 2, 3. Count 3. We play our A chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change your pedal when you get to that B. Okay, a lot of you great players do great stuff with your fingers and you're over pedaling and ruining it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I harp on the pedal so much because people continue to do it. So as a teacher, you have to keep saying it until we finally get it. B, D, F sharp, A, 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next measure, we have a C sharp octave on the left hand, C sharp octave on the right. That's a staccato, that little dot. So you're going to play it space. Okay, I don't like to say short because then people think it's a faster note value. It's not a faster note value, it's just space. 1, 2, 3. So let's learn this little thing up here. F sharp, way up here with the 2 finger. Okay, so here's the next F sharp, and there's middle C, so that's where we are, way up here. And then we're going to play the F sharp again, add a B on the top, and do a country third to G sharp. And then F sharp, Then I'm going to use a 2-finger again for me, and then the B. Now, 2-2, a lot of people that do fingering stuff say, oh, you should always avoid using the same finger in a row. Man, great pianists do it all the time, so that's hogwash. When it makes it easier, use the same finger in a row when it's practical. And then I'm going to, right where I am, I just played the B with my thumb there. I'm going to play the B again, but with 2 and 5 and do a country third to C sharp. And then B, E. Okay? Kind of the Floyd Kramer thing. People were doing it before Floyd Kramer, but he kind of made it famous. 2, 3. And it's not fast. You got to get out of your head that it's super fast. It's not. 2, 3. Ba, 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 ba. That's not fast. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3. So resist the automatic thing we do to go faster as soon as we start getting it under our fingers. We actually make it harder than it should be. 2, 3. And then I'm going to stick with that C sharp as I do another country third right here. We just did it a minute ago. B and E to C sharp. Then we move down to F sharp B, like we were up here. So you see we have some repeating patterns. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp with some B's on top. See that? Ba-ga-da-ga-dun-dun. Now I go back and try to tag that on. 1, 2. Again, 1, 2, 3. Then I gotta, as I do that, I just hop on over to B, E, and you gotta lift up. There's no way to make that and prepare ahead of time. You just got to jump. And it's okay. You're going to miss it a bunch of times, then you'll finally get it. If you never just go for it, you'll always be late, and you'll always have a little pause there. B and E, flip into C sharp, then another B. And I play the B with my 2. That B with my 2, and then I hop down to F sharp and B. Da-da-da-da-da-da, ba-ga-da-ga-da-da. It's a lot like this one. See, we already did it. But then it's E at the end, a little difference. Okay, so we mainly have this idea with F sharp and B, and then we have the B and C sharp, the E, B to C sharp. Those two things, and it's just repeated as you move down the piano. Right there, 1, 2, 3. To rush. Then we're back to A. Dun, dun, dun. So 2 counts, 1, 2, A chord. This time he does it different. A, C sharp, E, down to E on the thumb. So 2, 4, 5 on A, C sharp, E, down to E on the thumb. 1, 2. Whole line. 1, 2. Bum, 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 basically the same thing except the very end. And that last one might be the other piano that's a little more prominent right there at the end, so I threw it in. But it's basically the same thing. Just have another country third at the end. Okay? All right, whole line. 1, 2. Let's see. Up there it was da, da, da. Yeah, because that was the first part of the measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So A, then E, A, C sharp with 1, 3, 5. Then I'm going to do D, F sharp, B with 1, 2, 4, left hand on B octave. Swing it, swing it. A and D with 3 and 5, F sharp with my 2. C sharp, E. Up there with the A. 1, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. page. All right. Don't cry, my lady love. Dun, dun, na, 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 na. 1, 2. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. All right, guys, I'll see you in lesson 2, and we'll go to page 2.